Hey there! If you want to create a powerful and fully functional quiz on your WordPress website, completely free, then this video tutorial is just for you. I will show you how to do it step by step using the Ice Pro Quiz Maker plugin. So, let's get started. We are now on the demo page for the Quiz Maker plugin, and here you can see that there are many quizzes created with the free version. Let's, for example, check the first one. Here you can see a short description about the quiz. We can start it. Here you can see the questions, answer options. Here you can see the numbering. Also there is a hint option. Then we can go ahead. Also the quiz has a timer, which is great. So we can check different question types it offers. And here is the great result displayed by the quiz plugin. Here you can see a result message text. Also there is a button to create a quiz which redirects the users to the Quiz Maker official website. Here you can see also the score is displayed. Here you can see social media buttons here, the progress. Also you can click and restart the quiz, and also you can rate a quiz and send a feedback. And here you can see the questions with their correct and incorrect answers. So this is a great result for the free plugin. It offers a great number of wonderful features which are completely free. So let's go to the dashboard and check how to create a free quiz together with the Quiz Maker plugin. So here is our WordPress dashboard where I have no plugins installed and activated. And with the first step, we'll need to, of course, install and activate the Quiz Maker plugin. And for that, we'll need to go to the plugins page, add new plugin here. And here, search for the Quiz Maker. Here is the plugin Quiz Maker, and we will need to click on the Install Now button here and then activate it. That's it. The plugin is already activated, so we can go to the Quiz Maker and quizzes page. So here is the dashboard for the quizzes. What is great is that you can see video tutorials, documentations everywhere in the plugin, and it will help you a lot when using the plugin to create quizzes. Also, what is great is that the plugin offers live chat here. You can click here and ask all your questions, and the live chat support specialist and agent will be very happy to help you. Let's start from this Quiz Maker icon, which is a quick quiz feature. With the help of it, you can create your quiz in counted minutes. Here you can provide a quiz title, description, provide a quiz category. You can decide the status, also enable some of the options for the quiz. And also here you can write a question and the answer options under it. This will help you a lot when you don't have any time and want to create a quick quiz in counted seconds. It will help you a lot in this process. Let's close it for now. Also here you can see that a plugin adds one quiz by default after the installation, so that you can understand generally how the quiz looks like on a dashboard. Let's click on the Add New button here to create a new quiz. So let's check what features the plugin offers. Here you can see different tabs for the quiz, and the first one is the General tab. Here you will need to provide a title for the quiz. For example, let's create a geography quiz together. Also, you can add an image for the quiz, so click on the Add Image button, then upload an image from the computer. That's it. And make sure to choose a full size when uploading images, so that the question or the quiz image will have the highest quality. So here we can click and insert it into the post. Here also you can provide a description for the quiz, for example like this. The description input is made via WP editor, so you can customize it the way you prefer. Also, you can make the words italic, bold, etc. You can add bullet points, URLs, etc. Buttons. Also, you can here check the message variables you can use here. For example, quiz title, questions count, like how many questions there will be in a quiz, etc. You can check the list here. Here you can choose the category for the quiz. This is uncategorized right now, but you can create quiz categories by going to the quiz categories page here. Then click on add new button. Here you will need to provide a title for the quiz category. You can write a description if you want and save the changes afterwards. Let's get back to the quiz. And here comes the most important part, inserting questions to the quiz. For that, you will need to click on Insert Questions button. These are the default 3 questions that are added by the plugin after the installation. So we can close it. Let's go and create some questions for the quiz. For that, you will need to click on a Create Question button here. Here is the question page, and here you can see you can add a question image by clicking on the Add Image button. We go to uploading files from the computer, for example this one, and again we're choosing full size and insert it into the post. Here you can write a question. Here you can see the question types offered by the plugin: radio, checkbox, drop-down, text, number, true, false, date, short text, etc. And here you can provide the answer options for the question. And you will need to choose one of the answers as correct. That will be the first one. Here also you can see the question category option, like you can attach categories for the questions. So to create a new question category, you will need to go to the question categories page, then add new button. And here again, like the quiz category, you can write the title, description, and click on the save button. Let's go back to our question. Also here you can provide a question title, so you can find it easier from the questions list. Then here you can also see settings. Here you can see the question status. You can enable no influence to score option, so that the question will not be included in the scoring of the quiz if you don't want it to be included. Here you can see some of the features that are available only in the Pro version, but you can here see also the list of great and advanced features that are completely free. For example, you can provide a question hint, question explanation. If you want, you can add message for the wrong answer and right answer. They will be displayed if, for example, if the user answers incorrectly or correctly to the question. Also here you can provide a note text for the quiz takers. So once we are done with the question, we can save it. I will quickly create 2 more questions and we will include them in the quiz. I have already created the remaining 2 questions. Let's add them to the quiz. We'll click on Insert Questions here and choose our desired questions. That's it. So let's go ahead with the next step, which is the styles. The styles tab offers a great number of options to customize the quiz appearance. Here you can see the themes you can choose for the quiz. Here you can specify the quiz width, mean height. Also here you can somehow customize the quiz color, background color, text color. For example, let's add this color for the quiz color, as it will match better with the quiz image. And here you can see a great number of features you can use for the quiz appearance. Here you can also see quiz title transformation. For example, we can make the quiz title uppercase, lowercase. We can capitalize each word, etc. Let's save it like this. Also, what is great is that you can have custom CSS option. You can use it. You can write your own CSS code here to achieve your desired specific styling results if you have any requirements. Let's go ahead, and the next step is settings. Here you can decide the quiz status, either published or unpublished. We can enable timer, for example, 120 seconds. Here you can customize your desired text for the timer. You can enable randomization for both the questions and answers. You can enable question bank and display your desired number of questions from all the questions you have applied to the quiz. For example, if you have inserted 100 questions to the quiz and want to display just 50, you can write 50 here and display them accordingly for the quiz. Also, you can group questions by their categories. You can decide to show or not to show the correct and incorrect answers during the quiz. We can tick this option and display which answer option is correct and which one is not. Here also you can see the schedule the quiz option. You can specify when exactly the quiz will be active. You can have a question numbering, answer view, answer numbering, etc. You can see a great list of features here. Also, you can enable your desired buttons, next, previous buttons, finish button, etc. Here you can have a live progress bar. Also, you can enable sounds for right, wrong answers. You can enable background music, etc. Let's go to the result settings tab. Here you can see the calculated score option, which is a pro one, and the next one is the result message. You can customize the result message the way you want, as it's developed by a WP editor. So you can write any text you want, you can add any media you prefer here, HTML code, CSS, etc. For example, we can use dear and then a username here, and we'll write thanks for passing the quiz. Or here we can just have the quiz title message variable. So they will be replaced with the username of the quiz taker and the quiz name, quiz title. Here we can scroll down and you can see the redirect after submission. You can write your desired URL here and redirect the users to your desired pages. You can change the loader. You can decide to show question results on a result page. You can enable progress bar, enable assessments, etc. Here you can see social buttons, social media links. So let's go ahead with the limitation users tab. Here you can limit users by 4 methods: IP, user ID, cookie, and IP and cookie. Here also you can provide a message that will be displayed for the users who want to pass the quiz on the website. Here you can enable limitation for logged users only and for selected user roles. Also here you can see the limitation count of takers option, with the help of which you can specify how many people can access the quiz. And also you can have a password for passing the quiz. The users will need to fill in the password to access the quiz on the front end. Let's go ahead with the next step, which is the user data tab. Here you can specify to display the information form on the front end during the quiz or not. It is now disabled, but you can set it after quiz or before quiz, whatever you want. Let's, for example, set it as before quiz. And here you can tick your desired fields for the quiz. For example, we will gather name and email. You can also make them required if you want. And the next steps like email and certificate and integrations are available only in the pro version of the plugin. So we are done with discussing the free version. The free version features the plugin offers, so we can save the changes here. Let's also discuss all the menu items the plugin offers. For example, let's go to the results page. Here you can see the results and statistics about the quizzes. As we haven't passed any quiz, there is no result here. You can see the quiz category, the user IP, name, email, phone. Also you can customize the columns displayed here from the screen options. You can tick here and choose what you want to display here. Also, you can have a pagination for the results, like you can decide how many results you want to display on the one page. So we can close it. Here on the statistics, you can see quiz statistics about the quiz, but it's a pro version feature. Also, here you can see the leaderboard, which is available in a free version. And here you can see the reviews. Let's also go to the general settings here. Here you can see some general settings related to the quizzes. So for example, you can choose the radio or other question tab that will be chosen as default when you're creating new question. Also here you can specify the answers default count. And here you can see different options for the quizzes. You can tick and not store IP addresses of your quiz takers. Here you will need to provide the sounds for right answers and wrong answers if you want. Here you can also see start button loader. You can have an animation for the quiz. Also here you can erase the quiz data starting from the X month, etc. You can see the plugin offers a great number of features for free. Then we can go to the shortcodes, and here you can see all the shortcodes available in a free version. With this shortcode, you can display all results with a beautiful table on the front end. You will need to copy this shortcode, then paste it to your desired page or post, and you will see the username, quiz name, start and end dates for the quizzes, duration, score, and status. And this one is for the single quiz results. Here you will need to provide your desired quiz ID and paste the shortcode on your desired page or a post to display single quiz results. Here for the display quiz bank shortcode, you can choose whether you want to display the questions of the given quiz or category. You will need to provide the quiz or category ID here, and then you can display the questions of the quiz or categories so that the quiz takers can practice them before actually going and passing the quiz. And also here you can see the quiz categories, question categories, and most popular quiz shortcodes. The other ones like leaderboards or user page settings, flashcards, etc. are available in a pro version. Here also we can go to the extra shortcodes, and here we can see additional shortcodes you can use: average score, past users count, unread results count, etc. Also, the plugin offers a great number of message variables you can use. For example, you can use them in the description of the quiz or in a result message. Here you can see all the places you can use the message variables, all the options. And here you can see the list. On the text customizations, you can add your desired text for your desired buttons and options. For example, if you want to have, for example, let's start for the start button, you can customize it here. And the same goes for the other options as well, other buttons as well. And here you can see fields text. You can somehow change the placeholders and labels, and here you can see detailed report options. You can enable this and these checkboxes and decide what options you want to display for the detailed result, detailed report pop-up that is available on the results page. And the next menu item is how to use. We can go there. Here you can see how you can create a simple quiz in 4 steps with the help of the Quizmaker plugin. Here you can see a great number of links. You can click and access the documentation or video tutorials that will help you a lot during this process. Here also you can see a review video about the plugin so that you can check and get acquainted with the features of the plugin. Also here you can see the articles and videos you can check that will help you a lot. Also there is frequently asked questions here, so you can check them as well if you have any questions, or if you have any more questions or your questions are not covered in the frequently asked questions, you can also contact the support team. You can open a topic and ticket on WordPress.org, and they will help you a lot. They have very responsive and quality support, and they are ready to answer all your questions. And then here we can go to the our products menu item, and here you can see other products that are offered by the plugin developers. For example, they have launched the new Fox LMS plugin, with the help of which you can create courses and offer them to the quiz takers. So you can have an e-learning platform on your WordPress website where you can have both courses and quizzes together, as the Quizmaker plugin also integrates perfectly with the Fox LMS, and also Fox LMS has a free version, so you can use for example Fox LMS free version and Quizmaker free version to create courses and attach quizzes to them. And also here you can see other plugins offered by the plugin developers. And the last menu item is Pro Features, and here you can see the versions, the Pro versions the plugin has, and the differences between the packages. As you can see, there are lots of features and there are lots of differences. Also, you can watch plans comparison video if you want to upgrade to the Pro version. Also, what is great is that the plugin offers a 30-day money-back guarantee, so you can test the plugin first and then decide whether you want to go with the plugin or not. So as we have discussed all the features and functionalities, also all the menu items available for the plugin, let's publish our quiz to see how it looks like on the front end. So we'll need to copy the shortcode here, then go to the posts, add a new post. You can also add it to your desired pages if you want. Here we will need to insert the shortcode here and write, for example, a post title. For example, let it be geography. And we can click and publish it. Then view post. Here is our quiz displayed on the front end. It's nice and very advanced. So we can click on the start button here and start filling in the quiz. For example, here we can write our name, email, then click next. Here you can see the first question, question numbering, timer, and we will choose the answer options here. And this is the result displayed on the result page. You can see the questions with their correct answers. Also here you can see the username message variable, also the quiz title message variable, the score, the average score, the progress, the restart button to pass the quiz again. Also here you can click and send a feedback. So I guess that's all about creating a quiz for free with the help of the Ice Pro Quizmaker plugin. If you have any questions remaining, you can always rely on the support team of the Ice Pro team, as they are always very responsive and are very open to your suggestions and your feedback. So you can install and activate the Quizmaker plugin on your WordPress dashboard and enjoy its powerful and nice features. Thanks for your attention. Bye bye.